3.
Here we are out fishing on Red Lake in northern Minnesota here. I want to show you our official rule that we have out here for measuring fish, because you got to know what size your fish are out here, because there's a slot limit. You only have fish in a certain size, and you're not going to know what that certain size is unless you have a way to measure the fish. Here I got a really nice perch here. We just put this, you rest up the nose on this perch and you measure the length here, and it comes out to about 11 inches or so. Then they got this nice little scale on this thing that tells you exactly what that fish weighs there. 11 inches, we got a 9-ounce perch there. And then you got these walleyes here. You got to know, these walleyes are the ones you really got to know, because you know the slot limit that they have here. Like this one here is about 18.5 inches, and you're allowed one over 17, so that's why we kept that one. And then you got these other ones here that are going to be, these are under 16, so on this lake up here, and under 16 you can keep in a limit. So that's why we need to have this up here, is because if you don't have this ruler up here on this lake catching these walleyes, you're not going to know what size fish to take home, because you got to be able to know the size. Keep within the law.